Just released by Blackmagic Design, the studio camera 4K is here, and in this film we're going to unbox and set it up at the xTribe studios in LA. First to come out of the box is the machine metal tripod mount with quick mounting plate. The mounting plate with 15mm rod clamps is a welcome addition. It features forward and rear adjustment so that you can properly balance it on the tripod. And here it is! The carbon fiber reinforced shell and absence of a battery makes this camera very lightweight. The back features a generous 7-inch touchscreen and a foldable sunshade. Just like all of Blackmagic's cameras, it features the popular MFD lens mount. The power adapter features a DC locking power connector, international power adapters, and a rather short cable. We'll go ahead and mount the camera on a tripod, the Magnus VT-4000. Thanks to the camera's light weight, it is well within this tripod's 4kg load rating. Most importantly, it is a fluid head tripod system, which is one of the most important factors for smooth filmmaking. And here's the sensor, with an ISO of up to 25,600. We're going to use a Panasonic Lumix G Vario 45-100mm lens. This is a lightweight and affordable zoom lens. It has optical image stabilization and silent autofocus. Unlike the Blackmagic pocket cameras, the studio camera does not have a CF or SD card slot. Instead, it features two USB-C ports to which you can connect SSD drives, and to which you can record in Blackmagic RAW format. The HDMI port on this camera is not just for the video feed, but when paired with an ATEM Mini, it also controls the tally, which can light up green, amber, or red, triggers the autofocus, and toggles the record button. Before we fire this baby up, we're going to put in two 15mm rods and attach a basic matte box, because we have quite a few studio lights here at xTribe, and that could cause glare. Alright, now we can pop open that foldable sunshade, which also doubles as a screen protector when transporting the camera. We didn't yet connect this to an ATEM Mini. The camera can function standalone as well, and can record to its local USB-C drive. The menu is very similar to the Blackmagic Pocket 4K. Here you can choose the format in which you wish to record to the local USB-C drive. The camera has built-in wind-resistant microphones, as well as a 3.5mm audio input and output. The function buttons on the left can be customized to control things such as LUTs and autofocus. The dials on the right are strictly for controlling the brightness, contrast, and focus peaking on the 7-inch display. They don't affect the HDMI feed, nor the recording. And red goes the tally light, which is triggered either when you press record on the camera or when you cut to the camera through the ATEM Mini. In our next video, we're going to connect this to an ATEM Mini Pro at the xTribe podcast studio in LA.